Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this one I'm going to show you the machine that is having a Fanuc OT control that is showing a thermal alarm on startup. Here you can see that a machine is displaying an alarm on startup. So here we will see that how to fix this alarm. So the thermal alarm could happen that is caused by the over voltage from the electric source. So now we will see that how to fix this alarm and how to start the machine for the normal operation. So to fix this alarm we have to move to the electrical panel of the machine, and there we will see that is there any problem. So let's move to the electrical panel of the machine. Here is the electrical panel of the machine, and here we will see that either if the contactor of the machine has been tripped due to the over voltage. So here you can see that. So here you can see that this contactor has been tripped due to the over voltage. So we will first power off the machine, and we will push this contactor button. So that was stripped due to the over voltage. So now we will move to the machine and see after starting the machine that either the alarm has been gone or not. So here you can see that the machine is running properly, and all of the operations has been enabled. Here you can see that machine is working properly and alarm has been gone, and we will have fixed this alarm. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe the channel for further videos. Thank you.